Are you looking to make some extra cash online? Look no further than Amazon Associates, the ultimate guide to making money online. With Amazon Associates, you can earn a commission by promoting products from Amazon. It's a simple and effective way to monetize your website or blog. To get started, sign up for a free Amazon Associates account. Once you're approved, you'll have access to thousands of products to promote. Simply create unique affiliate links for each product and share them on your website, social media, or email list. The key to success with Amazon Associates is to promote products that are relevant to your audience. If you have a fitness blog, you might promote workout equipment or healthy snacks. If you have a beauty vlog, you might promote makeup or skincare products. By recommending products your audience is interested in, you'll increase your chances of making a sale. Some text goes here, and the best part? Amazon takes care of everything else. They handle the payment processing, shipping, and customer service. All you have to do is sit back and watch the money roll in. But be patient, making money with Amazon Associates takes time. It's a long-term strategy that requires consistent effort. So, keep creating valuable content and promoting products that you believe in. Start promoting products, and watch your bank account grow. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips on how to make money online.